Today for my hi everyone. Today for my Greedy Lady Healthier Meal Healthier Meals Diet, I am making some pork chop soup. I have my little meat in here with my soup base, and in a little bit I'm going to add my veggie zucchini noodles, and I'm going to let it simmer, saute, marinate in all the flavors, and I'll be back when everything is ready. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all your support. Can't be possible without you. Nothing like family, nothing like support of YT. Friends and the ones that keep coming back to see what I'm all about, what I'm doing. Alright, I'll be back. Okay guys, I've added my noodles to my pork chop soup base. I'm going to just let this simmer for a while. Back when I plate some. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your love. Don't forget to check out my other playlist while you're over here checking out this video. Check out my other previous videos. Maybe you haven't seen some. Might enjoy something. Okay. Bye. You guys, y'all see my long noodles? Oh, this juicy soup base. Yep. Pork chop soup. Yep, I wanted my pork chops in the soup. Family, when y'all use these zucchini noodles, remember to cut them, because when you spiralize, they are extra long. So it's best, you know, you cut them. Ooh, that is delicious. Noodles. Oh, what I want to say. I am in a future video, I'm going to share with you guys homemade taco shells. I got this taco shell mold, and I got to get the ingredients for my baking mix. Wheat-free, grain-free, gluten-free, corn, oat-free baking mix that I will be using to make my taco shells. So basically, they won't be corn. Ha! And also I'll still try and make also some of the mold, the taco bowl. Use the mold for the taco bowls. So that's in a future video. Excuse me, I just wanted to share that. I'm about to get ready to plate this food up. What else? I hope you guys checking out my garden updates. My plants are doing good. My new plants should be getting here. My other new plants I ordered should be getting here by the end of the week, I guess. And I'll make a video about that. What else? Well, anyway, I guess whatever I'm trying to say, I done lost my train of thought. I always do that. I come on here, I have so much to say, huh? Well, anyway, I was just looking at my food, making all that delicious sound of cooking everything down. I'm getting ready to get my bowl and plate me up, or bowl me up some of this delicious pork chop soup. Hope you guys enjoy my new Greedy Lady Healthier Meals diet. I never claimed to be a vegetarian or vegan, pescatarian, I guess that's the word. I eat meat, I just don't eat grains or dairy, corn, oats, wheat, gluten, cornstarch, anything with corn or wheat, any kind of chemicals like that in the food. That's why I have to make my own food now. And that's why I share with you. I'm going to be making a bacon mix so I can make my own breads and things that won't be allergic to. And I'm going to share that with you guys. So, like I said in a previous video, my zucchini is my rice, pasta, potato, and all that good stuff. This is my staple. This is what I use in a lot of my meals to eat my food with. My veggie noodles or squash, any kind of way I make it. And I just like to share. I hope you guys enjoy. So I'll be back when I plate my food up, okay? Later. Alright, family, I've bowled up some of my pork chop soup. See my little pork chop sitting on top? Yes, everything is green in here because I have some char, I have some bok choy, I have my zucchini noodles, the pork chops, I love cilantro, I love parsley, got some thyme, lemon. I put lemon juice in here for my salt, and it does flavor it down, give me that salt flavor. Got a little spice from the chili peppers, and what else I got here? I did chop up a tiny bit of mushrooms. Okay, that's back on my list. And what else? Just my regular fresh herbs. And onion. I do use a tidbit of onion and a tidbit of garlic powder. And there's no black pepper in here. It's just from the chili pepper I put in here, a mild one, just to give me a taste and flavor of the spice. It's kind of dark because I don't have my handy dandy light anymore. I run a cheap network over here. I don't have any lights. I don't have any camera holding people. I am struggling with my editing, just finding out how to do a few extra things with my editing, and I find it very exciting and encouraging for me that I'm, dabbling and picking around with the editing part, even though I do know that I need an upgrade on my editor. But anyway, I'm low budget over here, low budget ratings, low budget views. But that's all right. I enjoy making my videos, if just only to motivate and inspire me to be more creative with whatever it is that I am creating. And it helps me at least be better at something, try to get better at something, and I can see myself or hear myself speaking or see myself whatever I'm doing, and it just is a great help for me, the most introverted person I think of myself as introverted. But anyway, I love doing the little YouTube videos, just sharing stuff that really doesn't matter to anybody but me. I guess. Anyway, I just want to thank my regular supporters that come back and just check out my videos, because who am I? I ain't nobody. But I do appreciate whatever family is watching and whoever is supporting me. Thank you very much. I only did 2 crafting things so far this year. I made what did I do? I have been doing stuff, but I've been giving it to family members. I did make a purple carrot and I made a yellow carrot. That was my only, well, that's my crafting stuff so far for Easter. I don't think I'm gonna be doing no Easter bar. I probably ain't gonna be doing no 4th of July bar. And I don't know if I'm gonna be doing any more bars. I'm just gonna might do some crafting, but I'm not gonna probably be I'm not displaying it if I ain't got the feeling. I got so much stuff to do around here. I probably ain't got time to do all that stuff anyway. But anyway, what am I trying to say? I am knitting a shawl type scarf, and I'm planning on making um, some putting some decorations on that scarf. When I finish with that, then I'll share that. Other than that, it that's what I'm working on, a scarf. I'm knitting a scarf, and I think I'm gonna be painting again. I got some things I want to paint. I'm not expert. I'm a very, 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 very novice so-called painter. But I ain't even gonna say that stuff about me. We all have to start from the bottom to get to the top. Or some of can start from the top if you got all that money. Or anyway, if you ain't born with the gifts or talent, you do have to start from the bottom and work your way up to the top. So I'm just gonna still be doing my crafting, still enjoying my gardening, and still doing these greedy lady healthier meal diets when and if I feel like it. But that's all. Let me get out of here, because I ain't been watched for a minute, so I know I ain't gonna be watched for anybody to hear exactly what I'm saying in this dang video. Some of anyone that does watch. So I'm just gonna devote my time, keep making my videos, whether they're being watched by whoever or not. I just love what I'm doing. I'm gonna continue making my videos, continue craft, continue gardening, all the little things I'm doing, regardless of who gives a damn or not. It's Janita's channel and I'm just gonna be doing me. And if anybody likes to see me doing me, welcome.